stop. Before you throw that New York lottery ticket in the trash, you gotta watch this. Seriously, you might be holding on to cash right now without even knowing it, or worse, you could be missing out on free second chance prizes. So today, I'm gonna show you the absolute fastest ways to check your NY lottery tickets, and most importantly, exactly what to do if you hit a winning number. All right, let's get straight to it.
All right, first up, let's talk about the fastest way, the official NY Lottery app. Believe me, the most powerful tool for checking your tickets, it's probably already in your pocket. We're talking about the official New York Lottery mobile app. It is hands down the quickest and most modern way to find out if you're a winner.
And really, the #1 method is right there on your phone. You know, the best part is that the app puts everything you could possibly need all in one place. It's not just for checking your numbers. It basically turns your phone into your own personal lottery command center. Super convenient.
So you might be asking, how does it work? Well, it's actually incredibly simple. First, you download the official app and sign in. And a quick heads up here, you do need an account now to use the scanner feature. Once you're in, you just tap Ticket Check. Your phone's camera will pop up, you line it up with the barcode on your ticket, and boom, just like that, you get instant results. It tells you right away if you've won. No more squinting at those tiny little numbers, which is a lifesaver.
Okay, let's move on to the secret value of losing tickets. So you've scanned your ticket and womp womp, it's not a winner. I know, your first instinct is to just crumple it up and toss it, right? Well, stop. This next tip is probably the single most valuable one I can give you today. We're talking about finding real value in something most people literally throw in the garbage.
Which brings us to the big question. What about your non-winning tickets? What are you supposed to do with them? Are they really just worthless? Think about it for a second because I guarantee the answer is going to surprise you.
I mean, completely serious here. Do not throw them away. This is the part that could honestly change how you play the lottery forever. Those little pieces of paper that seem totally worthless, they can still hold real, actual value.
And that value comes from something called Nuke Plus. So what is it? Well, it's the official Second Chance and Promotions program from the New York Lottery. And this is the exact reason you should be saving every single ticket. If you remember the old Collect and Win program, this is basically the new and improved version. And trust me, it gives you way more ways to win.
And the way it works is incredibly simple. You just scan your eligible non-winning tickets, we're talking draw games and scratch-offs, right in the app. And you earn what are called plus points. Think of these points like a digital currency. You can then use them to enter all these exclusive, special second chance drawings for awesome prizes like cash, gift cards, you name it. It kind of gamifies the whole experience and gives every single one of your tickets a second life.
All right, so moving on to in-store checking with retailers and vending machines. Look, I get it. Not everyone wants to use an app. So if you're someone who prefers to check your tickets in person, or hey, maybe you just want a second opinion on what looks like a big win, don't worry, there are plenty of physical options out there. We're talking over 13,000 retailers statewide.
So when you're in a store, you've basically got two main choices. You can go the traditional route, right? You walk up to the counter, hand your ticket to the clerk, they'll scan it with their terminal and give you a little validation slip. Or, and this is my personal favorite for a quick check, you can use one of the self-service machines. You just scan the barcode yourself and get the results instantly right there on the screen. Super easy.
And you know what? These self-service machines are fantastic for another reason too. It's not just about checking tickets. If you win $75 or less, you can instantly use those winnings as credit to buy new tickets right on the spot. It's such a seamless way to keep the fun going.
Okay, let's get a little old school for a minute and talk about live draws and online results. For those of you who enjoy that classic lottery experience, there are still several solid traditional methods you can use.
Of course, you can always go directly to the source, the official website, nylottery.ny.gov, to see all the winning numbers. Or, if you're like me and you kind of enjoy the suspense, you can watch the live drawings on your local TV station. Just make sure to check their listings for the exact times. And hey, if you ever miss a drawing, no worries. You can always catch a replay anytime on the official NY Lottery YouTube channel.
All right, now for the part we've all been waiting for. I won, now what? You checked your ticket, the numbers match up, your heart starts pounding, you're a winner. So what in the world do you do next? Let's break down the exact steps you need to take to claim your prize.
So the first thing you need to know is that how you claim your prize totally depends on the amount. Let's start with $600 or less. If you've won this amount, first of all, congratulations. This is the easiest prize to claim, by far. You can just take your winning ticket to any licensed New York lottery retailer, and they should be able to pay you out right there on the spot. Simple as that.
Now, what if your prize is $601 or more?
Well, this is where the process gets a little more formal, and honestly, for good reason. We're talking about a significant amount of money here, and it needs to be handled securely. So yeah, you can't just walk into a regular convenience store to claim these larger prizes.
Okay, first things first, and listen up because this is non-negotiable. Sign the back of your winning ticket immediately. A lottery ticket is what's called a bearer instrument, which basically means whoever is holding it can claim it. Your signature makes it yours, and only yours. Got it? Good. From there, you have two options. You can either claim it by mail, or you can claim it in person at a lottery customer service center. But, and this is a really key detail, if you want to go in person, you must schedule an appointment online beforehand. Please don't just show up.
Okay, we have covered a lot of ground here, right? Everything from scanning tickets on your phone all the way to claiming a life-changing jackpot. So before we wrap this up, let's just quickly go over a few final pro tips to make sure your lottery experience is always safe and, most importantly, fun. And yeah, I'm going to say it one last time because it's that important. Sign the back of your ticket. It is the single most critical thing you can do to protect your win. Also, keep an eye on the clock. For draw games, you have 1 year from the date of the drawing to claim your prize, so don't let it expire. And of course, please play responsibly. The lottery is meant to be a form of entertainment, and remember, you must be 18 or older to play.
And there you have it. That is your complete guide to checking your New York lottery tickets. Now you know how to check them fast, you know how to get value from every single ticket, even the losers, and you know exactly what to do when you finally hit the big one. So I've got to ask you, what's your favorite NY lottery game to play? Are you a Powerball person, a Mega Millions fan, or are you all about the instant gratification of the scratch-offs? Let me know down in the comments below.